In today's video tutorial, we'll learn how to manage customers in Book24Seven. The Customers module acts as a centralized hub for all client information, helping you build stronger customer relationships and deliver a smoother booking experience. From your dashboard, click Customers in the sidebar, then click Add Customer and fill in the available fields. First, enter the customer's full name, email address, and phone number. Next, enable the Allow to Log In option if you want the customer to log in and manage their appointments through the customer panel. Upload your customer image in the Image tab. Then select the customer's gender and date of birth. You can also add an internal note about the customer. This note is visible only to staff. Only the customer's full name and email address are required. All other fields are optional. Make sure Run Workflows on Save is enabled to trigger automated actions, such as sending login credentials by email. Finally, click Add Customer. Now, let's see how to import customers using a CSV file. First, prepare a CSV file with the required headers, such as name, email, and phone number. Click Import, upload the file, map the fields as needed, and click Import at the bottom. If you want to export customer data, click the Export to CSV button in the Customers module. This downloads an Excel file containing all customer records, which is useful for backup or migration. To edit or delete a customer, click the three-dot icon next to the customer's name and choose Edit or Delete. For bulk deletion, select multiple customers using the checkboxes, choose Delete, and click Apply. Book24Seven supports two main ways to create customer profiles: automatic creation after the first appointment and customer sign-up through the booking panel. When a customer books an appointment for the first time, their profile is created automatically, and a password is generated and emailed to them if workflows are enabled. If you turn on only registered users can book in general settings, customers must sign up before booking appointments. This allows them to manage bookings, view appointment history, and update their details. To register, customers are directed to the sign-up page, where they enter their full name, email address, and password. After signing up, they can log in anytime using the Sign-In panel. And that's everything you need to know about customer management in Book24Seven.